face mask is being bought by a lot of people, and many people who know to sew are using this model because it's easy to make, and they are sewing their face masks in the same model. This mask is also available in all the shops very easily for common people. Normally these masks are effective in protecting people, but because of its shape, it's not that effective in protecting us. I'll show you what I mean. I have the mask here. I'm wearing it. I'll push it here on the nose place, but if you can see, it's open here. I can put my finger inside. There are gaps here on the side of this mask, because of which all kinds of air particles can still enter in it, and its effectiveness is getting less because of that. However, that doesn't mean that we cannot protect ourselves with this mask. We can try to make this mask a bit more better, so it can at least help in protecting us. As I showed you just now, because of the gaps on the side of the face and because of the mask that is loosely fitted, it's not that effective in protecting. I will show you a way now, and by doing this, you can make this mask a bit more effective in protecting you. Also, at the end of this video, I will give you some extra tips. Make sure that you watch them so that you don't lose any valuable information. Now, firstly, to make this mask protective, you'll look for the mask which side is for the inner side. Here where you can see the elastic, it's not on this side, it's not visible on this side, but it's visible on this side here. This is the inner side. This is the side that will be facing for your face. We'll face that towards our face, and we'll fold the face mask in half. Lengthwise, we'll fold the mask in half and try to make sure that the edges are equally. After you have made sure that the edges are equally, we will pull this elastic, hold it here strong, and we'll pull this elastic and we will make a knot here. Make sure that you'll pull the elastic and then make a knot, because we want to make this knot as close as possible to the edge. If we will not pull the elastic, then the knot will not be exactly on the edge of the face mask. And because we want it on the edge, we'll pull the elastic and move this knot as close as possible to the edge, touching the face mask. Make sure that you pull this elastic. If you will not pull the elastic, the knot will not be as close as possible to the face mask. After having done so, we'll do the same on the other side. Make sure that the edges are equally touching each other. Hold it here and pull the elastic for above, and we will make a knot. Just reminding you, if you won't pull the elastic, then the knot will not easily be as close as possible to the edge. So you have to pull the elastic and push the knot towards the edge. Once you're satisfied that the knot is by the edge, open it up now. Make sure that the nose side is for above and you have the other side facing for beneath. This is how it looks like now, and this is how it looks from the inside. Now you'll see these edges here. We want this edge for the inner side, so we will see where we have this point here. We will push it for inside, like this, and we are going to fold it there. So this is how it looks like on one side. This is from the inside, this is from outside, and this is the side that we didn't do yet. We will do the same on the other side as well. We'll take this piece that we have here, we'll push it for inside, like this, and we will fold it for down. This is how it looks like from inside, and this is how it looks like from outside. You'll take this mask now, you'll put it on your nose, you'll push it here so that it touches the nose bridge, you'll pull the elastic, put it over your ears. This piece that we have folded here, we'll make sure that it's facing for bottom and it's pressed. Make sure that the mask is covering our chin, and we'll put the other side of the elastic over our ears. Make sure that we cover the chin, and on this side as well, make sure that the folds that we made, that it's facing for inside. You should literally get the two folds here and be able to pull it for beneath. Make sure that you have covered the chin, and now you have achieved a seal You have sealed this mask in a better way. Now you can see there's no place for the air particles, for dust or anything else to enter inside. Now you can see that there's no big gap on the side. Also, there's no place under the chin. It's not loosened. There's a better seal, and the better seal will probably hopefully lead to a better protection. This is how the mask looks like. This is the inside and this is the outside. Now for the extra information I have promised you. Please note that this mask and the folding that I've just shown you is not a full protection. This is not a perfect protection, but it's far more better than the previous version where I showed you the original mask, where you have open spaces on the side and under your chin. This has a better seal, so it's a bit more better than those. It's not perfect, but at least it's a bit better. Also note, while making these adjustments in the mask, what you did by setting the elastic and everything else, make sure that your hands are clean, you have washed your hands, you have disinfected your hands, and your hands are absolutely clean. Don't make any adjustments on the mask if your hands are not clean. What you also can do is you can wear gloves and then make these adjustments on your mask. Another tip I can give you is, once you have these masks and when you're at it and you're making these, you can make a few of these like this. You can set a few masks like this, so you have them ready in stock. Whenever you need, you can just pick it up and go. You don't have to make last minute adjustments on it. You have them ready made. Another tip, these are single wear masks. Once you have worn them, you are finished using them, then simply remove the mask and throw it away. Do not reuse these masks. These are not reusable masks. These are just single-use masks. Once you have used it and you are finished, take it and throw it away. Please share this video as much as possible. Share it with everybody. Share it with your family and friends so that they can get this knowledge and they can protect themselves a bit better. As I said before, this is not full protection. This is not 100%. This is not perfect. But some protection is better than none. And even by reducing the chance of a few percentage, we might be able to save our life or the life of someone else. Hope this information helps. Do check out my other videos. I have lots of DIYs on face masks. Check them out and I'm sure you'll find awesome DIYs. And more awesome designs are coming up, so make sure that you subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future uploads.